Okay, my friends, looking at neutralization reactions. Spent some time today in class on this, but I wanted to give you a little more detail and a little slower, a place where you could go over it a little more. So I've got lithium hydroxide and nitric acid. Lithium hydroxide, a base, nitric acid, an acid. So we're going to put these guys together in a neutralization reaction. They are both aqueous solutions, because of course there's molarity involved. They both have concentration, so you know they have to be dissolved in water. They're going to create an acid, and a base are going to create water and a salt. The salt is the leftover pieces. In this case, it would be lithium and nitrate. So that would be LiNO3, which of course would be aqueous. If we look, my OH and my H are what came together to make my water. One of each produces one water. My lithium and my NO3, Li is a 1 plus, my NO3 is a 1 minus, so that's balanced as well. So no coefficients needed here. As you can see, a base plus an acid produces water and a salt. Our second example is sodium hydroxide and hydrosulfuric acid. NaOH, which again will be aqueous, plus H2S, which again will be aqueous, is going to produce, again, base plus acid produces water, plus the salt is my leftovers, my Na and my S. Now Na is a 1 plus, S is a 2 minus, so I have to put a 2 there to balance this thing out. Now some of you may be hollering, hey wait, how come you've got two H's here? Where did the other H go? Well, I've only got one OH here, so this one OH can go with that H to make a water. But what happens to the other H? Well, I need another OH to react with that. So I'm going to put a 2 there to say, hey, give me two OHs to balance out that other H, which will produce two waters. Again, this OH here, this OH and H there. That 2 on the NaOH also accounts for the 2 you needed to balance out the NaS. So therefore, 2 NaOHs plus 1 H2S will produce you 2 waters and 1 sodium sulfide salt. Third example is sulfuric acid and aluminum hydroxide. H2SO4, again aqueous, is reacting with aluminum hydroxide, an aqueous solution. They are producing, again, acid plus base produces water plus the salt, the leftover pieces. In this case, aluminum sulfate. Now, aluminum is a 3 plus and sulfate is a 2 minus, so we can see those are not balanced. I need 2 of these and 3 of those to make this a balanced compound. Now, you notice that I have 3 OHs and 2 H's. Well, that's not going to work. I need to balance those out. If I put a 2 here, that's going to only give me 4 H's, but then I have extra H's and need more OH's. So we can't put a 2 there. We're going to put a 3 there to give me 6 H's, and a 2 here to give me 6 OH's, which will, of course, will then produce 6 waters. Notice by doing the 3 and 2 as the coefficients, I'm also balancing the 2 aluminums I needed and the 3 sulfates I needed. So the key point to remember, acid plus base produces water and salt. These are for my neutralization reactions. I hope that's helpful for you.